My name is Christina Sanders. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a collab with one of my good friends here on YouTube. Her name is Stephanie Clayton, and that is her channel name as well. That will be linked down below. Today we decided that we're going to do a collab of a look from the My Little Pony palette. She got me this for Christmas, and that was really sweet of her. So I was super excited when I saw a bunch of looks that she's been creating with this palette, and I was like, that's really, really beautiful. So we both just decided that we would collab, do a really fun look. I'm super excited because I haven't used this palette nearly as enough as I need to. My favorite color in here so far is this one right here, but she has been pulling out some really gorgeous looks. So let's go ahead and we're just going to get started. I'm going to do a look with this palette, and then I will talk more at the end. But I will try to link her video for this collab down below. If not, at least her channel will be linked, and I'll link the video later. But if you just follow that link to her channel, our video will be posted on the same day. So you can check out her video as well and subscribe to her. And you can subscribe to her if you haven't already. She does giveaways every once in a while as well, and she has lots of different kinds of videos, and I really like her channel. And I will be doing a giveaway as well. So if you subscribe to my channel, then you can be notified when I do my giveaway soon too. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so since I don't have color names on here, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys which colors I'm going to use. And if you have this palette too, then you can create that look as well. But I'm going to go ahead, and I think I have an idea of what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this orange, this peachy color, and put it in the crease. This one has quite a bit of kick up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but not a problem to me. I just figured I'd mention that in case you haven't tried any of the ColourPop palettes. I really do like them though. I did not like their pressed or their like gel type shadows. I never liked those, but I do like these. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in next with this dark blue color right here. Then I'm gonna go into this light blue color right here. I'm gonna go back in with that dark color again and add it again to the back part. Okay, and then since this one is my absolute favorite color, I'm gonna go with that on the inner corner and as my brow highlight. Now I think I'm going to try to go in with this dark purplish color right here. So that is the look that I'm going with. I don't think I'm going to add anything else right now. I'm just going to finish up this look and then we'll come back. Okay, so here is my finished look. I'm super excited because I just got this the other day at Walmart. And this is called Live Snow Picnic. And it's one of the Mega Last metallic liquid catsuits. I want to get like all of the colors and all the crazy ones and everything soon. I have like 10 colors. So let me know if you guys would want to see a swatch video of all the Wet n Wild lipsticks that I have. I do not like matte lipsticks, but I really, really love the Wet n Wild ones. Like, they're just amazing. I really, really like them. They're not too drying like most lipsticks are for me. They are a little bit dry, but not too dry, which I really like. And then we did the look with the My Little Pony palette. Of course, I'm not entirely sure what the colors are, like how they match up here. So, or I'll tell you guys the colors that I used. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. So I used Applejack in my crease. Then I used Twilight in my crease, which is the blue. Then I used we used Snuzzle all over my lid. That was the light blue one. Then we used Firefly, which is the white one, in the crease and on the brow. And then, what other color? And then Princess Sparkle, this purpley one. I used that on the outer V here, in the crease a little, and on the bottom. So it all like really blends well. I like it. I like the look. So you guys have to let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of my new lipstick. I think it's so pretty. And I like that it has like this pink shift to it. So it kind of looks like with this look, because the white on here is kind of pulling more blue and more green when it hits certain lights. I think it's so pretty. I love it. I think it's so pretty. This doesn't have a mirror, of course. I don't know if anybody, I mean, if you're watching this and you haven't ever gotten a ColourPop palette, I don't think they come with mirrors. I don't think, yeah, the other one that I have doesn't have a mirror either. But that's okay. It doesn't bother me. I just figured I'd point that out. I'm not sure if these are still available. If they are, I will have it linked down below. If not, I will still have the ColourPop website linked down below so you can look at all the eyeshadow palettes they have available. I just have a couple of palettes. I think I only have this one and another one, but if you guys want to see me do like a video where I do some swatches, or if you just want me to talk about these in a future video or something, let me know. If you want to see a look with the other one, just definitely let me know. I think I have the You Had Me at Hello ColourPop palette. So yeah, if you guys want to see another look from this one, definitely let me know. Definitely check out my friend Stephanie Clayton's channel, and all that stuff will be linked down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and her channel if you're not already subscribed. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video, or what you thought of this look, what you thought of her look, or anything you guys want to say, or just say hi. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.